All right, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 8, color LEDs. Changing brightness. The intensity commands let you set an LED's brightness or intensity from 0 to 100. This program lets you choose 3 levels of brightness for your rainbow lights, but the medium level doesn't work yet. So do this. Read the program and see how the bright and dim buttons work. Add code to make the medium button make the rainbow a medium level of brightness between bright and dim. All right, so right here, if I run this and I press bright, all of these colors 0, 1, 2, 7, 8, and 9 are set to 100 intensity. That's as bright as you can make them. All right, if I click on dim, you can see right here that they did get much dimmer, right? And that is if we scroll down here to dim, it says intensity 10. So we went from 100, which is the brightest color you can have, down to 10, which is the softest color you can have. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to make the medium ones, but there's no code in here. So I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to copy all of the ones that were already done. So press Control C, and then I'm going to come to line 12 and I'm going to press Control V. All right. And that way I'm going to have all of those blocks already in there. And then now all I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 50. I mean, you could change it to 50, 60, whatever you want to do, but 50 is a good medium number. So now if I reset it and run it, there's my bright, there's my medium. You can see a change. There's my dim. So dim, medium, bright. There we go. That's all we had to do. So with that, we'll press finish and I'll see you on the next level.